There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Durango GT in reactor blue. With LED headlamps, selectable steering modes, 20-inch aluminum wheels, rain brake support, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 58,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 11045A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.